Hello, this is week 6. I'm Matthew Shallow. The first question is, how much of a role do you play in your athlete's life away from the field of the court? And basically, what I do is I work to be someone that they can always count on, like a family member, while also maintaining a player-coach relationship. In ways, when players come in as freshmen, you're not always, you're not going to have the same relationship as you would have with one of your seniors. But this comes from, you know, countless hours of, being together during practice, after games, during tournaments, things like that. The player will grow to, respect you and, be able to come to you when they need something, or you should be able to tell when somebody's going through something just off of how long you've been around these guys. How would I be involved? Like I said, I would create a family environment, and this would consist of knowing the players' interests outside of ball, creating a relationship with them, knowing their goals, and creating a place where we can talk, and I can go out my way to help them, and maybe even them helping me at times. Um, then I would be involved in trying to make sure that they're becoming positive people in society, and this would basically incorporating and making them do basic things like being respectful, learning these things and making those habits, um, working on teaching them basic skills and basic life habits that will help them be successful and get holding down jobs or even going to college. Um just making sure that that's something that's incorporated into our program, so that they can already have these skills, while growing up through high school. And then I try to make sure that I know all of my players' life goals. If they want to go to college or if they want to learn a trade, and basically, basically, basically by me knowing their life goals, I hold them accountable for that. I hold them accountable. I remember what your goals are, and when we're looking at grades, or seeing if you're being on time to practice or if you're being on time to class, I remind them that these are basic things that you're gonna need in life to be successful. And pretty much the big idea of this whole thing is knowing your players. If you're an actual coach, it's just not about the X's and O's. You got to know the people that are doing the X's and O's, and that just comes from being observant and actually really caring and listening to what these guys are saying. Thank you.